I had somebody ask me recently about how I spray my mealworms. I'm going to walk through and show how I get the various sizes hydrated, which settings I use, and how much. Let's get started. First off, we've got older larvae. You can see them in there. They're nice and big. And what we're going to do is the shower setting. Okay? And here we go. Just like that. The brand's going to soak that up. The mealworms will have an initial shock. Like, let's take a look at them. They've gotten real still, right? But they're going to keep moving. They'll start moving around, and they'll start eating and drinking. Okay, now let's talk about the smaller larvae. So in the trays where you cannot see the larvae yet, what I like to do is just mist, all right? So here's a good example. You can't see larvae in here, right? Get your mist. That's it. Now, I don't spray trays that are less than a week old. I want to give those eggs time to hatch so that, as you saw there was a little bit of drip from the spray on the side that went down. I don't want to mess those eggs up. I don't think it's going to bother them, but I'm just being cautious. And so I don't spray the young trays until the beetles have been out of them for at least a week. The other thing that I will spray is around my pupation trays that I've already collected the pupa and they're hatching into beetles. Let me show you. So all of these trays here for right now, and what's happening is those pupa are in there and they're hatching into beetles, right? And so what I'll do, again, on mist, is I'm going to go on the edges. See that? Just around the edges, okay? So here's the deal. I will invariably have somebody in the comments who's gonna say, you're gonna have mold. You're gonna have mold. And they're true. If you overhydrate, if I did that process every day, 4 times a day, yes, too much. You want to make sure that those trays that you've hydrated are dry within 12 to 24 hours, okay? So you could optimize by spraying more frequently, but then you run a bigger risk of moisture condensing into the tray, down into the frass or into the bottom, and causing issues. So what I just did, I do 3 times a week right now. And within a few hours, all that's going to be dry. So I think technically I could actually up that to every day. This room is 50% moisture or 50% humidity, okay? And so spraying that 3 times a week is okay. It's got plenty of time to evaporate. Those trays that I just sprayed, they're going to be dry within 6 hours, maybe even less, okay? Follow a similar principle. If you're going to spray, follow a similar principle to providing moisture sources like potatoes or carrots. Don't put in more than that tray will consume within 24 hours, okay? That way, you're making sure that they're eating, they're consuming what's in there, you're not wasting too much food, and you're not inviting mold. If you have any questions, let me know.